Compatible only with Oral-B electric toothbrush handles. You will receive 2 Oral-B Ultimate Clean Replacement brush heads. Combines Oral-B unique round brush head with gentle microvibrations for a surprisingly enjoyable experience and healthy teeth and gums for life. Reduces plaque buildup along the gum line. The dual-length bristles surround and reach deep in between teeth and have higher density for an ultimate clean. The Oral-B series combines powerful, but gentle micro-vibrations with Oral-B unique dentist-inspired round brush head design for a professional clean feeling every day. Ultimate Clean refills help remove plaque, leaving teeth feeling clean and bright. Tufted bristles help clean hard-to-reach areas of the mouth. Dentists recommend changing your toothbrush head every 3 months for best results. Top reviews from the United States. Great toothbrush. Love this toothbrush. I have permanent retainers and was always having to use a dental tool to get excess buildup off. This toothbrush has almost eliminated the need to do that. I used to have a Sonic Care toothbrush. I'm glad I made the change.